first step. Pinch right here, twist for the head, smaller one for the ears, and one more small one. So, more or less. So you're going to pinch this twist into this one. So now you have a head. Alright, so for the neck, a little bit longer. Same thing, now so you're going to need two twists. So one, two. So you're going to twist this knot into this one. And same thing for the legs. First knot.